lucky day. Wow, for the birthday boy. We're getting matching Crocs for the birthday boy in Hawaii. These are the gibbets we picked out. We switched our Crocs. We're getting these ones instead. We think the gibbets will look better. Food land, getting some snacks and drinks and for the beach. Stop asking me questions about his birthday. Focusing. Stop asking questions. You'll see when we get there. No, it looks amazing. You guys match it. Thank you.
Your birthday, right? Happy birthday.
Oh, I didn't want to tell you. Happy birthday. Oh, yeah. This was the big surprise I was asking all these questions about. God. Sunday night. How did you like your picnic experience?
It was great. Thank you, baby. First time doing that. Seen it all over Instagram. Thought I was gonna get proposed to.
Not today. Not today, sir. No proposals happening.
I felt like an influencer.
I thought you'd like that. Oh, look, the sun setting.
I felt like a little Instagram influencer.
You are an Instagram influencer.
All my followers are gonna love it.
No. Kailua to a speakeasy, and it's about 30 minutes from where we are now, so I will show you all when we get there. This is so good. This is stupid. So we're about like 40 minutes late to our reservation, but they gave us some drinks out here, so we're just in the pub part. It's fine.
Thank you for being patient with us.
Thank you.
If I may,
Yeah.
we'll take care of that first round of cocktails for you, and also we'll open up with some grower champagne.
Oh wow.
Really, really cool. The same people that grow the grapes also produce the wine. So it's like almost like playing like farm table wine.
Yeah.
In a way. So really, really cool. It's like nice, like acidic champagne for you. Really big.
Sorry, first time.
Okay.
Cheers. We're gonna stay with that caviar. Cheers. Savor that up, and then we'll take a shot. Alright, have a good one.
Cheers.
Thank
Thank you.
you. You guys got the technique and everything.
Thank you. This is their drunk journal. So we're supposed to write anything in here. Okay, we have to write in there. Going. Luna. Realivant. Dinner was 10 out of 10. What do you think?
11 out of 10.
It was so good. An hour late to our table, but they treated us so well. Obviously, one of the good Yelp review, which they earned. Drinks. The charcuterie, honestly, like the best charcuterie board I've ever had, I think, at a restaurant. Yet to go to France and try. Everything else, mwah.
Service was best.
Service was the best. And I'm like, is that just because we're in Hawaii or what? The bartender was so nice, the hostess was so nice, the servers so kind. Calculated it and they gave us like over $150 worth of food and drink, and they were so kind and such great customer service, so they did well. The champagne that they gave us was like private label from their sommelier. And he brought, so we asked him like, oh, what was the champagne you gave us?
It wasn't on the menu, so we don't know.
But it wasn't on the menu, so we're never gonna know the price unless we Google it. Gaslamp, Kailua, we're gonna come back in May for the wedding because it was so good. Oh yeah, it's not our wedding. It's RJ's friend's forever wedding, not ours. I didn't propose today, okay?